Interrogations with the culprits. Charlie Crook.
What did you say was stolen? Musical instruments? What is a musical instrument? I have a triangle. I use it to call my poodle.
Betty Bandit.
I don't find musical instruments interesting. I take singing lessons because I'm going to start singing in a choir.
Robbie Robber.
Me? Musical instruments? No, but I'm reading a book called Piano. It's about a man who relaxes by playing the piano. I can recommend it.
Rita Rascal. Sorry, but I'm on my way to my brother's birthday party. I bought a guitar for him. Bye-bye. Talk to you later. Penny Pickpocket.
Why did I get my driver's license? Me and my monkey are going to Africa to get his cousins. You need a lorry for that.
Theodore Thief.
I haven't got time to talk to you. I'm going to meet my new girlfriend. I'm in love. And now I've learned to play the harp. I hear that the girls like that. It's very romantic.